Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. It is 2 a.m. and I'm outside here in Florida. Now, there is a plane going by over here, but I just wanted to do a quick low light test with the Insta 360 1RS with the dual 1-inch sensors and the Leica lens. That's right, this is the big boy 360 camera. Now, I'm going to just kind of cruise down my street here just a little bit. You can see one of my solar panels or solar. That's going to mess up the audio. Maybe DaVinci can fix that. If the wind noise is gone, thank you, DaVinci Resolve. But anyway, there's a solar powered street light right there, so it's quite bright under here. You can see that you should be able to see me quite well right now. But let's go to where it's total dark. I just want to see how well and how much the 1-inch sensors help out this camera. Now I am in manual settings. I did limit the ISO to 500 just to eliminate noise, and I am shooting 6K at 30 frames a second. So the image is going to be a little bit darker. You can see the moon hiding behind the clouds back there, and this cul-de-sac right here has absolutely no lights in it whatsoever, and the street light just dimmed down. The main street light is broken. That's why I put the other street light in. I just wanted to see what kind of results I could get from this camera in total darkness. Now, I don't ever really plan to use it in total darkness. I really got this more of just like a vlogging camera for the family channel, like when we go to Disney and stuff, because I can use it on the rides and things like that. And when you have 4 kids running around, you never know where the action is going to happen. So with a camera like this, you're always sure to catch it. And as usual, let me know what you think of these results. Are they good? Are you impressed? Are you not surprised? Do you hate it? Just drop a comment down below and let me know. If you like quick content like this, then by all means, click that like button and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Steve WB. I'm out.